This is gonna be your bear crawl. For this demonstration, we're going forwards and backwards. Starting off, we're gonna be in a quadruped position. That just means we're on our hands and knees. Make sure the hips are stacked over the knees. Make sure the shoulders are stacked over the wrist. I got nice big hands, right? So really feel the hands engage, as well as the balls of the feet and the toes. Really feel good connection here. Try not to sway. Think of it like you got a nice frosty beverage on your back. Don't spill the beverage. That's gonna be key here. So when I'm in this position, I want to think about protracting away, really engaging through my hands, through my fingers. It's not just through the balls of my hand. And then from here, I'm going to spike my toes. Now, I'm going to turn my toes slightly inward so I feel all the toes engage. And now I'm going to engage the bear position. So that just means knees are at a hover. When I go into a forward walking pattern, I want to think about pushing through my legs, which is totally normal. What I see here with a lot of people, when they go backwards, that's where the challenge really comes, because now you're swapping your walking legs for your walking hand. So when you go backwards, be sure you're pushing into the hands. With that, you want to make sure both the steps forward and backwards are basically equal. So opposite hand and opposite foot walk forward, opposite hand, opposite foot walk back. Same lift, same contact with each step. So try not to segment it here where you're right and looking all sloppy Joe there. So hand contact, foot contact, toes turn inward, lift the knees in the bear position, engage the trunk. This is a loaded respiration technique. So I got to stay braced the entire time whilst also breathing. So I'm breathing, maintaining intra-abdominal pressure, using the diaphragm to breathe. Really relaxing the neck, nice and long through the neck, pushing the ground away, and then I go. Step, contact, contact, lift, contact. Small steps. Don't spill the beverage. And then backwards, push into the hands. Same small steps. Try not to lurch, try not to lunge, do anything weird. Small choppy steps the entire time. Keep it together. Opposite hand, opposite foot, lift the same time and contact the ground the same time. Remember, when you're going forward, push through the legs, hands are supported. When you're going backwards, push through the hands, the feet are supported. And that's gonna be your bear crawl.